guys, welcome back to our channel Plant Trips. Today I am going to tell you about Statue of Unity in Gujarat. The world's tallest statue dedicated to Indian independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patil 1875 to 1950 was completed in 2018. At 182 meters tall, it's twice the size of the Statue of Liberty. Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India and is highly regarded for his leadership in bringing the 562 states of India together. The area around the statue has been developed as a comprehensive tourist destination for the whole family to enjoy with enough activities and attractions to fill in at least 3 days. Apart from the statue, this includes a sound and laser show, butterfly garden, cactus garden, Ayurvedic wellness center, eco-friendly and medicinal plant nursery, handicraft stores, valley of flowers, forest with native trees, children's park with train and mirror maze, safari park and zoo, zip lining, water rafting, cycling and boating on the lake. There's also been a heartening focus of empowerment of local women through training and provision of employment. Accommodations are provided in luxury tent cities, hotels and local homestays. So, if you like our video, do like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe Plant Trips. For better experience, you can visit Statue of Unity in Gujarat. Thank you.